Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Take with Saket. I am Saket Sagar. I have shown you how to fix an error which is class not found exception error in Java while coding on VS Code platform in my previous video. But today I am going to show you another solution of that problem, and after this you will never get any such error. So without wasting time, let's open my VS Code. So I am opening my VS Code. Here I will make a new file, that is demo.java, and using this I will write a simple Java code to print a hello world message. So I am writing main method, that is public static it's a void main, and then string array args. Then I am writing system dot out dot println, it's a hello world. So by this it will print a hello world message. Now I am going to run this file, run this Java code. And you can see the error. It is showing an error, could not find or load main class, caused by java.lang.classNotFoundException. So this problem occurs mainly due to you haven't saved the file yet. You can see a white dot here. White dot means you have not saved the file. So before proceeding to compile it, you have to save this file to run this file. So I am saving in file. I am saving this file, and now I am running this. So you can see that it is printing hello world successfully. But again, if you are writing anything, any line or anything, then like I am printing a message hello Sagar, then you can see that this white dots is appearing again. This means that again this time you have to save this file before running this. So there is a permanent solution of this problem. The solution is auto save. Go to the setting. Here search for auto save, and in the first row you can see that this is auto save. So here my auto save is off, so I will turn it on, and you will get a lot of options like after delay, on focus change, on window change. Then I am going to select this after delay, okay, and I am cutting it down. Here you can see that auto save delay time is 100, okay, means if you will delay for 100 milliseconds, then it will auto save your code. You not need to save your code again. Okay, it's fine. Let's cut the save setting. Now you write anything like system system dot out dot println hello world. I am again writing hello world, and this time you can see that there is no any such white dots. You do not need to save that file, so directly you can run from here, and no such error will occur here this time. So this is a very good solution. You can see that hello world Saket Sagar hello world is printing. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, share my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.